Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to share you the real user experience of this Philips trimmer, which is Philips BT1233/18 by DuraPower Tech Trimmer. See here, this comes with length adjusting brushes. One, this is of 5 mm. This is 7 mm. See here, and yeah, so I'll just try to attach this. First of all, I'll just switch on. You need to just swipe up here. You can see the strength of the motor running here, which is from the Philips, and there is no charging indicator anywhere here, means which shows the battery percentage. But when you keep this in charge, with the micro USB, this light gets turned on with the green color. So I'll show you that one also. And this is the micro USB provided to charge this, and the user has reported for a one single full charge the user is using this for like 4 to 5 times, sometimes 6 times, but he just uses for the beard and the mustache trimming. And this is the brush provided. Coming to the user experience of this Philips BT1233/8 Dura power, 4 times longer battery. The user has expressed that this gives very good results. And for the skin also, this is skin friendly only. See, this is when you charge it. This is my mobile adapter, and the cable has been provided. You need to just uh, use it with your mobile adapter. So when you charge, it indicates that now the current trimmer is being charged. And I'll just give you this extension. Need to use the clips like this. And see here, when you do this, you just need to do it in the opposite direction. Okay, like this, in the opposite direction, and it gives like 0 shave or 0.5 mm shave. The exact length is not provided for this extension brush, but the user uses this for mustache purpose. In the reverse direction, if you use this, gives very clean trimming of the mustache. Yeah, and the overall user experience is, it is lightweight to hold and decent, and the user has been used this in while traveling also. It is travel safety, means the power button won't go off easily. So this is not a button type. You need to just turn it on by sliding it up towards up, so there is no worry in the traveling. And the battery also, the user is pretty satisfied. And the only thing the user expressed is, it's there is no battery indicator for this Philips trimmer, except that this is decent enough. And battery is like, as I mentioned, it comes for like 4 to 5 hours. And during the time of purchase, the user purchased this for like 700 rupees, but now the price has been reduced to 600 rupees. See here, if you check this trimmer in the mobile app of Flipkart, it is coming for 600 rupees, and there is a bestseller tag also, means this is being sold frequently, and it got 4 rating on the Flipkart. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.